Always, like, you need to be careful not cutting yourself.
I think that they were going to, okay?
I'm gonna turn them a little bit.
Oh,
No!
it's thick.
Yeah, it was too thin.
Ah, it was too thin. And that's why.
I hope I do the right thing. Yeah, but like...
Tomato paste. There, if you...
Thank you. This is so not liquid. Okay, then I try. The other one, I think
Maybe this one.
Yeah, if this one's too
too
big,
big.
you know.
Please.
Yeah, but usually that's what I told. You remember, one way or another.
Not what you wanted.
But I'm gonna try to make it.
But I'm sure I will soon make it.
Up.
So cool.
Yeah, really easy.
And again.
Yeah.
Ah.
You guys can take as much as you want. Okay, we're gonna cut to see what's going on inside. Oh,
Chop. Careful. It's very hot. What about Vlad? Will he eat it?
he left. I have to join him now.
Outside?
Hmm?
Outside. You're living outside?
Yeah.
Oh, but you just cooked your food.
Yeah, but I'm not too much hungry tonight. I will try it tomorrow.
Oh no.